Alright, me and Bay just priced our parts out our car. Me, they're gonna charge $800 just to put our part on. One person told her 400. Bay said 400.
For real though, fuck, I look like you, Michelle Obama.
I'm like, baby, we gotta do what we gotta do. I said, they're gonna charge 800 or 900
So
just for the label.
So guess what? I'm looking to stop leak.
It did some period, cause
Who?
for real though, I gotta go
Who?
to work. I gotta get to work. I gotta go to
Who?
work. I gotta go to work. I gotta get to work.
Who?
And that's on period, poo. They're gonna charge an arm and a leg. So
I'm sleepless now. All I can remember is you.
I gotta put these bands in there.
So all I can remember while I'm asleep last night is you saying, laughing real hard. And I'm like, what is you laughing at?
Oh, no, that was the morning.
I don't know when it was. I just remember you saying, I was asleep.
She was like, oh, what is wrong with you?
I was. Yeah, whatever.
Oh, God.
Sound like this.
You like, really sleep, dog. I'm like, is she playing? So that's how you sleep now.
I must have smelled something in my sleep. Obviously.
What you smell?
I don't know. If I'm asleep, you by me, and I'm asleep.
Nah,
like
I wasn't
this.
by you. I was just getting into bed. I just got a shower. Tub. Just got a tub. So when I came in there, you were like that. So I'm like, what going on with her?
Whatever. A lie, don't care who said it.
Nah,
A
I
lie,
just
don't care
getting
who
in
said
the
it. A lie, don't care. Who said it? What is this on the back of my... I must be wondering what that is.
What is it?
I don't know. Probably something Ava did. What is that?
Wipe it is.
No, it ain't coming out with no wipe like that. I don't know what that is. Yo, Impala gotta go. Yo, Impala gotta go. My finger looks stinkers.
All right, y'all. We out.
No, I ain't out. I ain't out.
What you finna say?
You don't know what? Move your shoulder for one. Nah, for real. I look big as a motherfucker. I look like the fat boy off Meet the Clumps.
It's always something. Shoot. Hey.
Well, either you want to turn your steering wheel or you don't. You want to turn your steering wheel or you don't. Some just told me to bite your face.
Somebody in the city, y'all.
Man, who ain't nobody in no city?
That ain't staying in the kitchen with Al.
You know you had a sideburn all the way down here. You can get a goatee. Yeah, it's over there.
Yeah, he's over there.
You can get a goatee.
It's always money gotta be involved or something. You just can't never go shopping.
Well, hey.
Shit.
That's why y'all need to turn us up, because it lit over here. Quit just watching. We see you watching.
What you looking at?
So go on, subscribe, man. Don't cost a nigga nothing to hit that subscribe button. That's how we know you all be hating. So imagine not supporting us all them years, and we get rich anyway.
First, I'm gonna stack my dough, yeah.
Soon as I get to 100,
stack some more.
Yeah, my bad. I interrupted you, and you was flowing. My bad. Go ahead.
No, I'm good, man. It's that Jeezy. He had kind of my head.
You said first you gon'
Stack some more.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna stack some dough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What Doc say? Keep climbing the ladder and make a matter. Keep climbing the ladder and make a matter.
That's on what?
Keep climbing the ladder and make a matter.
Oh,
Nah,
period.
but Frida, my neck to my shirt long as a motherfucker. I'm about me now another shirt off shame.
Okay. Okay, that's how you feel.
I look like somebody just set my head in this shirt.
What? Not set your head in the shirt.
Yeah, that's what it look like. Somebody set my head in this shirt. But for real though, we was just vlogging, y'all. We gonna hit y'all back up when we get to the house. Cause do we do. Do we do. That what we do. That what we do when we out here making these plays. Going to pick up these drops. That what we do. Got the cartel waiting on us. So we get through picking this up from the Dominicans and the Republicans. You know what I'm talking about? And
He big, by the way.
who big?
The cartel dude.
He big, by the way.
And he wait.
And that's on who?
Period.
Just throw money across you. Car money. Who is I did? But for real though, we'll be back. You know what I'm saying?
Make sure y'all go subscribe to Blake&Cameron TV
For real though, man. It's only lit over here. It's only the right
And that
thing to
song
do.
what? Period.
Cause choke
Nah,
those
it's in,
on
it's
those.
in.
I almost just died. But we'll be back. Cause we vlogging today. I don't know if I'm gonna still have this turtleneck shirt on. But cause it's ugly. Didn't know it was this ugly. Thank you, Beto, for the shirt from Shane. Wife Life. I like it, but I could have made this. But
Here come our
yeah.
food.
Here come our food. Hope the little sunny girl don't fall. I don't never see nobody no skates no more. It's sunny.
Not here.
But well, I thought you saw somebody.
Oh,
It's out the kitchen.
yeah.
Okay. We'll be back.
With another one.
And another one. And another one. And another one. But for real though, I supposed to wash my hair today, but a nigga told me get up at this little redneck Lego period. So I just got on it. But we'll be back, y'all, cause we vlogging today. On this rainy day. Probably been getting our coffee. Gotta drop it off in the morning, be. Boom. 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 Boom.
Ian is